So I don't want you all to miss out, especially if a particular stock is a must buy. Is that what we're seeing in the market in Microsoft right now off the charts? Do you think the chart is letting us know that this stock is a must buy right now? Let's talk about it, because you guys can see already that I've had a price prediction on my chart for Microsoft going all the way back to July the 20th, 2023. And you guys can already see what my expectations were. Yep, I was looking for the market in Microsoft to go down, and that is precisely what the stock did. It went down. Now, it definitely exceeded my expectation, which is cool. Nothing's wrong with that. I mean, we got 5.5% out the market in Microsoft. The ultimate bottom in Microsoft came in right here, September 28th, 12.75. Either way, you won. You made more money than what you actually put in. That's the name of the game, is to be consistently profitable in the stock market without any confusion. So now, let's see if this is a must-buy stock now. All right, let's talk about it. We're going to be real. If it is, cool. We're going to put on the price prediction looking for Microsoft to go up. If it's not, there's nothing wrong with us playing the weakness to the downside a second time. We let the market tell us what to expect, right? First thing, zoom out the chart, right? Question, is this market still trending higher? Is it still obeying our trend line? I think the easy answer is no. The trend is broken in Microsoft, right? Trend is broken. So what does it mean? Well, obviously you shouldn't be bullish. Once the market broke that trend, which occurred here on September 20th, your thought process should have automatically switched over to being bullish to being bearish. Automatically, just like a light switch. Don't even think about it. Don't think twice. Don't look at some other type of fundamental analysis to justify why you still want to be bullish. The market is already speaking. And when it speaks, you pay attention, you listen. So now, instead of Microsoft being bullish, it is now bearish. So that is a strike against this must-buy stock. If it's a must-buy, right? This is a strike. You don't want to see a market trend down. But that is the current direction that Microsoft is on. And there's nothing we can do about it. Like, let's just keep it a buck. There's nothing we can do. We simply pay attention to the price action and we follow suit. Now, you may think that what happened on Friday, the price action in Microsoft on Friday, has triggered this indicator of strength, right? Right here towards this downtrend line. Is the buyers trying to break this to the upside already? Like, we just hit this downtrend and now it looks like those buyers are trying to break the market above that downtrend line. Will they do it? You're nervous, aren't you? This area right here that the market closed in Microsoft is the last point to where we saw some support as well. Crazy. Just look at that. Now, I would tell you, the beginning of this trading week, if the market in Microsoft does not close higher than this area, $327.50, give or take, we're going to have to talk about this must-buy scenario, because it doesn't look like that's going to be the case in Microsoft, especially early on in trading this week, Monday, Tuesday time frame. It's going to be important for those buyers to break the market above that area. But then take a look. Like, I do admit that these charts definitely represent buyers in Microsoft. So let me show you where those buyers are at first before I tell you what I think the market's trying to do. Okay. Right here around this vicinity is where those buyers are at in Microsoft. Okay, it's not exact, so just relax. I know there's a lot of technical analysts out there. You got to have the price bar hit exactly on the line. Look, get off that, because we simply pay attention to the area. This is not an exact science, but we see generally where those buyers are coming in the market for Microsoft. All right, so that's where they're at. Now, since that time that we've noticed the market hold support in Microsoft here at 311, those buyers are still moving the market. All right, this is where the test is going to occur, though, right here on this downtrend line, which is going to happen, like I said, early out in trading this week. And then when I look at this on a 2-day chart, it does look bullish. It looks like those buyers will be successful at breaking that downtrend line to the upside. That's what the 2-day chart looks like. Here it is on the 3. It looks the same. It looks like they're attempting to break that downtrend line. So from this scenario, a must buy. From the 2-day chart, even on the 3, yes, the market looked like it is going to attempt to go up in price. What about on the 5? I like the 5-day chart as well. What about on the weekly? Look at how the week ended for Microsoft. This one weekly price bar has erased all of the weakness, all of the selling the 2 weeks prior in one. 2 weeks, again. These buyers confirmed buying in Microsoft on this 2-week price bar August the 14th. And they're still there. Because on this last completed 2 weeks, the market traded there and it closed at the high end of the bar off of the prior 2 weeks weakness. This is a story. And the market is speaking and letting you know that it's currently bullish. 3 weeks. Here it is on the 5. Okay? Now, my price prediction is going to be Microsoft is going to go up, right? It is. That's my prediction. And the area to which I'm going to look for the market to go higher is going to be real restrictive. I'm not looking for it to make all-time highs. Not yet. I need the market to break this price level first. And it's 340. I need to see the market break 340 in Microsoft. So I'm just going to drop 2 targets, right? Just 2 price targets for Microsoft. And those targets will be, first area is going to be around $333. Look at that, a minimal 1.82%. That's it. I know it doesn't look like a lot, but I definitely need to see the market hit that area. Now, the biggest area for me to really become more bullish will be, I need to see the market in Microsoft break 340 to the upside. I need to see that first. Okay. And that is what? 4% in Microsoft right there. And that's it. I'm done. Now you're up. Give me your thoughts about what do you think Microsoft is about to do? Is it a must buy? And if it is, where do you think price is headed in? I've shown you what I think. Now I want to know what you guys think. Hit me up. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.